In this TradeMiner video, we're going to go through and we're going to discuss the results window. Now, in a previous video, we went through and we did a scan, and the results came up down here. Now, we did a scan of month and November, and these are the month and November results. So the results window is set up so that you have each trade is set across here in a horizontal factor, just like you would on a spreadsheet. Everything's in columns, but each trade is horizontally. So for example, you can come in here and sort by clicking on any header. For example, on the trend, you can click on trend, all the bearish trends come to the top, or click on it again, all the bullish trends come to the top. And this is done because up here we selected bullish, bearish, or both, and we selected both, which gives us both. So we can come in here and, for example, this is our first trend. Our first trade is the Garmin company, and its symbol is GRMN. It's a bullish trade, so meaning that we're going to buy and go long, make money when the market rises. The score is 5. Now this score tells us which ones made the most amount of money in the least amount of time with the least amount of risk. And this one scored very highly. And so we have the score in here. 5 is the highest you can receive, so the score goes from 0 to 5. Now we can sort on the score as well. We can click on the score, and the score then takes us down to the lower scoring individual trends. And you can see down here in the window, some of these had a less likely to make as much money or as consistent trends as some of the higher scoring ones. So this is a high scoring one. This is Garmin, and the trade begins November 13th. It ends December 30th. The winning ratio was 100%, so 100% of the time between November 13th and December 30th over the past 12 years, which is a 48-day calendar day trading time frame, the average profit was 15%, or $1,526 on a $10,000 investment. And then we go on and we have a number of different statistics, and I'm not going to go through each one of them here, but you can go through and see. We have risk reward, average daily profits, biggest profit, max gains, average draw, and it goes on and on and on. We tried to put as many statistics in here as we could possibly fit so that you have everything in here at your fingertips. And so that is the results table. I would recommend you come through and look down through it, play with it a little bit, realize the most important thing here is the score. Being able to look down through the score and seeing which ones made the most amount of money in the least amount of time with the least amount of risk. And then of course being able to sort by clicking on the header. Being able to sort is an important thing that we do in here as well. So this is the results panel, and in the next video we're going to go and discuss the different charts.